Hello, my name is Ellen, and today we'll be learning how to make an origami flapping bird. To start out, get a regular piece of paper. If you have a square, use that, but here's how to make a square out of a rectangle. Fold the bottom right corner up to the left, so the bottom of the page lines up with the top, which should be a small rectangle and a triangle. Fold the rectangle over and crease very well. You can use your fingernails to make the crease deep. Unfold and then fold the rectangle behind the other way. Unfold the rectangle again, and if you have scissors, cut the rectangle off. If not, carefully tear it off. Fold the paper diagonally in half in the direction without the crease. Unfold, then fold it in half horizontally and unfold. Then, rotate the paper and fold it in half the other way. Fold the paper in half diagonally again and hold it in the middle. Take the right corner and open it up. Pull the corner up into the middle of the paper, folding it in the middle inside. This step can be tricky, so don't worry if it takes a few tries. Once you get it, do the same on the other side. You should end up with a diamond shape with one open end and one closed end. Next, with the open end on the bottom, fold the first layer on the right to meet in the middle. Then fold the left the same way and unfold. Lift the top layer of the paper to fold it up. Then, using the lines you just made, fold the sides to the middle. The shape will look like a long diamond. Flip the paper over and repeat those steps on that side. This step is also challenging, so be patient. Fold the first layer on the right to the left. Then flip the paper over and repeat that fold. Fold the top flap up all the way, then flip the paper over and fold the other flap up too. You should now have a triangle. If you look inside the triangle, you should see two smaller triangles inside. Take the right one and gently pull it to the right. You'll see the paper at the bottom start to bend. Flatten those bends down. Now, pull out the left triangle in the same way. These will be the bird's head and tail. Gently bend each of the wings down. You do not need to crease them. Look at one of the triangles. Put your thumb inside it and your pointer finger on top. Bend the top downward, then pinch the sides of the paper to form the head. Now your bird is complete. To make it flap, hold the bottom and the head side with one hand and the base of the tail with the other. Then gently pull the tail in and out, and the wings should flap. Congratulations! You've completed the origami flapping bird.